Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda.
Peppa Pig, Polly Parrot. Granny and Grandpa Pig are going on holidays. They are bringing Polly Parrot to Peppa's house so Peppa and George can look after her. Grandpa, hello everyone. Peppa, hello Grandpa Pig. Hello Granny Pig. Granny, Polly is very excited about her holiday with Peppa and George. Peppa, hello Polly. Polly, hello Polly. Hello Polly. Polly Parrot copies everything that is said. Peppa, what's in Polly's suitcase, Granny? Granny, this is Polly's food. George, can you guess what Polly likes to eat best? George, chocolate cake. Granny, ha, no, not chocolate cake. Polly likes bird seed. Polly, what bird seed? Peppa, can I feed her, Granny Pig? Can I feed her? Granny, yes. Grandpa, it's very important not to give Polly too much food. Peppa, yes, Grandpa Pig. Peppa, Grandpa, can Polly come out of the cage? Grandpa, yes, but you must keep all the doors and windows closed so Polly does not fly away. Peppa, yes, Grandpa Pig. Granny, goodbye, Peppa. Goodbye, George. Peppa, goodbye, Granny Pig. Goodbye, Grandpa Pig. Polly, what? Goodbye, Granny Pig. Goodbye, Grandpa Pig. Peppa, would you like a cup of tea? Polly, what? Would you like a cup of tea? George has got Polly's bird seed. Peppa, George, that is too much bird seed. Polly will grow very big and burst like a balloon. Pop! Polly, what? Burst like a balloon? Pop! Daddy, what's that noise? Peppa, ice cream! Ice cream! Hooray! Oh dear, George has forgotten to close the door. Miss Rabbit, ice cream, ice cream. It's Miss Rabbit, the ice cream lady. Miss Rabbit, hello, Mommy Pig. Mommy, hello, Miss Rabbit. Four ice creams, please. Peppa, thank you, Miss Rabbit. Peppa, George, you forgot to close the door. Polly have flown away. Daddy, don't worry, Peppa. I'm sure Polly is still inside. Peppa, Polly is not here. Daddy, oh, George. Whoa! Peppa, we have lost Polly. Grandpa and Granny are going to be very sad. Mommy, maybe we should try the garden. Look, what's that? What has Miss Mommy Pig seen in the garden? Polly. What? Peppa, it's Polly. Hooray! Peppa, but Daddy, how are we going to get Polly down from the tree? Daddy, don't worry, Peppa. I will rescue Polly. Come on, Polly. Polly, what? Would you like a cup of tea? Oh no, Polly has flown higher up the tree. Daddy, oh dear. Peppa. Be careful, Daddy. Don't fall out the tree like you always do. Daddy. Don't worry, Peppa. I will be very careful. Come on, Polly. Polly. What? Birdseed? I wonder where George is going. George has got Polly's birdseed. Polly loves to eat birdseed. Polly. What? Peppa. George has got Polly down from the tree. All. Hooray! Peppa. What's that noise? Daddy Pig mobile phone is ringing. Daddy. What? Hello, oh Granny Pig. Granny. Hello, Daddy Pig. Please may I talk to Polly? Daddy. Yes, of course. Granny. Hello, Polly. Are you having a nice holiday? Polly. What? Hello, Polly. Are you having a nice holiday? The end.
For watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.